Placing a Rev0 PCBA order is straightforward. Begin by uploading your Gerber files. Once it's uploaded, add breakaway rails or select Panel by NextPCB to create a panel. After that, a DFM check runs immediately. Review the issues and select your preferred handling. Upload your centroid file, also known as pick and place file, and upload your BOM file as well. Components are automatically matched to the HQ Online library. For unmatched parts, you can find a substitute from HQ Online or leave them empty. A DFA check then runs. Inspect the reported issues and decide how to proceed. By the way, you can switch to the regular PCBA ordering process at any point. When everything is ready, add the board to your cart and check out. That's it! You have successfully placed your Rev0 order. No more waiting. Try Rev0 today and transform the way you prototype.